And what's up, everybody? Ilia is here again with great news. And I wasn't even expecting Stellar Lumens taking so much attention, but I'm happy with this, guys. And we are going to talk more about Stellar also. But with altcoins, we will move on today, and we'll just talk a little bit about Bitcoin, but we will talk about Bitcoin's impact on altcoins. You can find me on Quora, or you can even straight ask me questions about altcoins or Bitcoin, and I'll try to answer, guys. I'm doing it for you. And we will start with the great thing. I found perfect explanation. Why do we actually invest in altcoins? Traders who are keen to exploit price volatility will love altcoins precisely because they move sharply and respond dramatically to tiny gestures. I can tell you guys that on this example, for example, would you invest here? Some of you will think, oh, it's that coin. Some of you will think, it might get another thing. But look at that. I'm showing you. This is where we are here. It was 2018, 2017. It's Nano, XRB. That was old ticker. If we improve it till today, that's the price. It's actually, right here. And now you can see this jump that I showed you. If it's dead, it's right here. And then we saw major jump. This coin brought a lot of profits to some people that I know, and I got here, but I sold it right here. Wait, let me get closer. Okay, a little bit lower. I sold it for $6.5, but I was entering here right after this dip because I was thinking, okay, it'll go higher. And that's the perfect example how altcoins are working, because volumes were pretty low here. You can see it's just $30 million. It's nothing. When it was growing, it's still $30 to $50 million. And we'll continue here. With lower liquidity when compared to Bitcoin means smaller traders can make larger impacts on assets direction. That's correct. For example, if it has low volumes, if it has, $50,000 daily, some user with $500 can make a crazy candle. And what was usually happening here, because volumes here are really ridiculously low, like here $56,000. With $1,000 you can just double it. And here investors like altcoins for the ground floor effect. Altcoins generally correspond to newer startup projects, allowing early investors to ride from the ground up as the project successfully takes off. This is what usually happens to coins. Like I said, Stellar. I'm still waiting on that thing, guys. That's the next Stellar Lumens. Some of you don't understand, some of other people don't understand. But somehow I understand it, and we're right now on a very low level. It's even lower for what I got. Yeah, true. I was getting in here, I was getting here, I was getting here, I was getting here, and even here. And I need to buy here. I'm waiting for my stocks to be sold. And yeah, I still hold some, but that's a bad idea. And guys, that's my favorite thing. That's what I can talk a lot about this. Look. The price is perfect. Look, it lost almost 10 times value. Yeah, I'm holding some. It lost a lot of value from the top, but it just halved in compared with dollar. Look, it was 12 cents. Somewhere here it was 12 cents, about 12. And it's just halved. If Bitcoin holds this value, and if it goes to these levels somewhere here, I'm talking about orange line. I'm not talking about blue or green. I don't care about USD, but I'm just telling you, it actually didn't die. This thing is helping to build a lot of platforms. This is what is going to be a catalyst in the nearest future. And this thing is a cheap Stellar Lumens for $35 million market cap. It's just six. This is what actually the price is even higher for what I got Stellar Lumens in. And guys, Seller Network, Dusk, I'm not promoting those guys. I'm just holding a lot of them. And yeah, you can actually see that I actually hold some Dusk. And I can tell you that altcoin season is just starting. For example, here, let me tell the latest thing. Additionally, ambitious altcoin projects have more future than past, translating into myriad fundamental events that can potentially boost prices, such as new exchange listing, tech developments, partnerships, and product releases. Actually, this jump of stellar lumens, let me show you all time. This jump started right after IBM news. So I added really massively here. I skipped this thing. I didn't care much. This is when I got in. It was 22nd of April. I skipped this jump. I didn't sell anything here. And I entered with another positions here because it was IBM news. And it went here. I just sold a little bit for example to show my parents how stellar lumens worked. And they were pretty impressed. And then I was holding, and I kept buying here. And there's a 32 cents thing which I added massive position. It was right here. And only today I finally got to this level. So I was waiting for 2 years. And if it needs to be more and longer, I will take it. And I'm telling you about funniest part. Altcoins are everywhere. XDAI. So some of you might know, I think it is going to be like a better Ethereum, but with least amount of hype. But the funniest thing is the house that I was living. When I saw that, I was like, oh my God, I'm originally from Russia. Krasnoselskaya Street, 89. I was like, oh my God, I was living there, but in just a different apartment. This is how blockchain stores all those parameters, and you can see it here. And actually, Vitalik Buterin, he praised this project. He said, oh yeah, that's a good one. And I was like, oh wow, okay, I know those guys, and pretty impressive. What about bull run? Be always ready. This is how I was ready for previous bull run. You can see voxels. I was just like buying crazy amounts. Verge, thank McAfee that he tweeted, and Verge jumped to like 20 or 30 cents as far as I remember. That's my wallet. Actually, it was not this wallet, but the company of this wallet was hacked, and hack was if you signed in, you lost your everything. And I didn't lose. And it jumped to the top about 27 mils. I mean, dollars. But I was still waiting and holding. I just sold just a little bit. It was thousands of dollars, nothing special. That was Bittrex when we had nice volumes. And I had one topic about funny investments and mining. It was XHV. You can see it here. The price is $3 now, but I was mining for all the time, and you can see this amount is pretty good, and I'm happy with this. I'm going to sell it when we see better volumes, because this volume is like nothing. I can just dump it to zero 100 times. But when you hold of total, they have 14 millions, and I have more than 100. I have more than 1% of market cap. I'll just hold for a longer time. And guys, look at that. Stellar's XLM token rallies to 2-year high. Like I told you, I'm finally happy from the position that I re-entered. Payments focused Stellar blockchain's native cryptocurrency XLM has surged to over 2-year highs. One analyst says the rally is driven by rival cryptocurrency XRP misfortunes. That's what I said, and I'm not sure where they took this information from, but probably some another guy decided to say that. And I'm totally supporting this. And from what I want to tell you is this. Best performing financial asset in 10 years is Bitcoin. It's 37 million, almost 38 million% gain. And guys, it was considered as a financial asset, like a payment thing. But you know, Bitcoin will never be a payment thing unless they fix something or improve the speed. But because of the mining problem, they won't be #1 payment processor. And it'll be store of value. I love Bitcoin. I'm doing everything for Bitcoin. I'm buying all altcoins to get more Bitcoin. And I'm thinking that Stellar Lumens will be considered as Bitcoin, like a payment. And it has all the potential to go to like $1 trillion. I think it's possible. $1 trillion is just X20. I mean, $1 trillion, not per coin, but market cap. And when we see this, look, we're going to see even higher highs. Look, this one, this higher, and what about this? and they have crazy trading volume. Finally, you can exit markets with the large amounts and you don't dump it. Like I did with Ethereum Classic on the top when I just sold my Ethereum Classic and it lost almost $1 billion of market cap. I was like, oh wow, I'm fancy girl. And look, 31 cent right now, almost 32. It'll go a lot higher. It's all about payments, guys, and payments are the future of cryptocurrency. That's actually the number one change in the world is a cryptocurrency. Our money, our paper, our metal is becoming digital thing. So yeah, we're going to see a lot higher highs. And I want to tell you that all altcoins are considered, a lot of them are trash. Like really 8,000 or even more, it's like registered on CoinMarketCap. And we have even thousands and thousands more that are not here. And we are using altcoins to improve and increase the number, our stack of Bitcoins. If you invested here, it's 21, you see, it's 21 Satoshi here, the price, 19 right. You bought it here, you sold it somewhere here. Oh, you just made X100. And X100 for your $100 for those times, it's already $10,000. It's already half of Bitcoin for almost no investment. And today, half of Bitcoin is, $17,000. And in a couple years, it'll be, okay, a couple of $100,000. But if you invest your $17,000 and get that, you need to be accurate. And if you do that, oh guys, oh my God, you'll be happy with this. So yeah, and I was always like ready for all bull runs, and they're actually all multiplied. This thing went to $2. Verge went crazy like X100. Next we went to $2. It's actually what brought us Ardor. Mana is Decentraland. It's still holding nice value. I haven't even sold much. And voxels, yeah, that's not the best example, but of course it happens. Some coins are not the real thing. And guys, that's it. It's a short video. I'm talking to you about altcoins, why do we need them, and some opportunities like this. And I'm pretty sure you're happy with your returns if you invested in Stellar Lumens recently. And I can tell you only, okay, feel free to subscribe, feel free to follow, feel free to share my thoughts with other people. I see, in compared with all those bad numbers, it's like bear market and now it's a bull market. And here I'm going to show you my other positions, and I'm going to share experience with Bitcoin. Especially today is going to be another video with a really interesting content, and I will share it with you. And for the final thing, we should check the price of Bitcoin, of course. Right now it's 34. Oh, that's low, but okay, I'll take it. Ethereum is going up, and I'm going to hold this position until up to $50,000. Yeah, I'm not joking. This thing, I'm not talking about this thing. This thing was considered better Bitcoin, so Litecoin still going up and will go up. Cardano, guys, that's additional thing. I think it's competitor to Stellar Lumens, especially with market cap, and we'll talk about this later. Polkadot, I'm not a fan, but it's a cool thing, of course. Never had this, never going to have, and yeah, I said everything. This thing, I will make a better description, guys, because we're going to talk a lot. I don't hold Chainlink. I never liked it, but I did a lot of research recently, and now I think I am going to go in this thing after I sell some Ethereum or even Bitcoin for that, but not everything, of course. For further things, I'm not going to talk. It's like nothing, and a lot of people might ask about Tron TRX. Yeah, that's a good thing, and this is actually what brought me a lot of returns back to last bull run. But still, privacy is a good thing. It's not about privacy now like it used to be, especially now they're working with Torrent. They're having some issues, but still, it is X20. Not X20, it's top 20. And the thing is, first big caps are moving, and definitely no matter of which news, except SEC filing or something, some lawsuits, they will go up. And of course, in a bull run, it can double, triple, make x10, and then it'll die because it doesn't make sense. I don't see major solutions. I like the transaction speed for Tron, but nothing special. And I will make separate video for other coins, especially those that are really cool. And I will tell my sad story about Monaco, as it used to be. This is where I lost some money, but I'm not blaming. It's just me because of lack of experience of holding. Now I'm holding and I'm the winner everywhere. And guys, feel free to ask questions on Quora. I will be trying to answer all of them. And leave your comments below. Like, people were active here and I love it, and it motivates me to record more, to share more, and ask me more, and I'll tell you more. And thank you very much, guys. Hit this subscribe, like button right now, and see you a bit later. Bye bye. Have a nice day.